What's crackin', riders? So in this video, I'm finally going to take out the Fury and see how it performs on the highway with the more Mafia tune. If you haven't watched the other videos, I recommend you pause this one and go check those other ones out so you can get a little more detail on what exactly it is, what it has done to this motorcycle, and things that you can expect from it. But I'm going to give you guys first-hand view of what it is like, tell you how it feels on the freeway. So let's grab our gear and let's go ride.
All right, y'all. Let's jump on the freeway with the more Mafia tune and tell you if it's any different from when we had the Cobra and all the other tunes that we had. Let's get up the highway speeds here. Third gear. 60. Little windy day, but we're in fourth gear at 70. Bike still feels pretty damn good, I can't complain. So it's fifth gear. So from fourth to fifth gear at highway speeds, you still feel that little bit of like jerk when you, like that torquey jerk. And I'm telling you what, there's a bit less vibration at 75, 80 miles an hour at highway speeds. And this bike just seems to respond better with this tune at higher speeds. So this is nice. This is really nice. The bike just seems to be a lot more smooth and wants to just kind of stay put at 75. It seems to be the most comfortable like zone for it, 75, 80. And with these risers that I got put onto it, makes it a lot more comfortable. But let me get out of this curve right fast, and then I'll go up to about 80. So we're in fifth gear still, so let's give her some throttle. And she feels like she's got more to give, even when you're going from 75 to 80. And she just feels all the way around better, especially the throttle response. Gotta get pushed around by the wind a little bit, but it is a little bit of a windy day. But this throttle response it's fantastic. It's like I said in the initial more Mafia tune video, it's not going to be anything that's going to throw you back to where your seat has to catch you, but it's more noticeable than a stock tune. So we're going to pass this semi here. Oh, that wind wants to push me. Passing cars is a lot easier, I'll tell you that. And this bike just feels like it just wants to perform better. Especially with the 2-in-1 I got in on it, just everything feels way more secure, so to speak. And that was a very nice run. That was very, very, very nice. This thing just feels so much smoother. The torque isn't too crazy to where if you try to gun around somebody, you're still gonna have to give yourself that time to do so. And just getting off the line is a lot better, especially if you're going onto a more traditional entrance ramp. Yeah, that is very, very, very nice. Yeah, I definitely recommend the more Mafia tune if you're gonna be doing freeway riding. That is good stuff right there. Not to just rip it with this thing. Alright, y'all, let's take it back to the garage and give a proper outro.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little, sweet, short, and to the point video about the More Mafia tune and how it handles on the highway. I definitely recommend it if you're doing like fast, long, or just highway travel on the Fury. Get this tune, and it's really nice, and you guys can see it for yourself. If you haven't checked out the other videos on the More Mafia tune, be sure to do that. Links will be just on the screen or in the description. One of the two, you guys know the drill. Still to come, obviously, is the gas mileage video to see if that's changed. But that video is still to come, so stay tuned for that. But as always, support your local veteran. Check out esotericmoto.com and all the other videos on this channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. All that YouTuber nonsense. And as always, be safe and ride free. Peace out.